Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition for Thursday, the 3rd of November. A little rain falling on us today. Now, let's get in there and take a look early this morning at some of the sky cam images around the network. Start off with the Tuscaloosa sky cam and looking at Bryant-Denny Stadium. Got that big game there Saturday night. Weather looks great. Clear with 60s at kickoff, 50s by the fourth quarter. During the day, Tuscaloosa should reach 70. Just beautiful weather for that. There's the Fayette County Courthouse this morning. The sky's now cloudy with rain approaching. And up in Huntsville, Memorial Parkway. Looks like 3 brave souls out there at the ridiculous hour of 5 o'clock. Let me tell you what, now that's a good trough. That's a very dynamic system coming out of the Plain States. And if we had the proper atmosphere, that could set the stage for a severe weather outbreak, but we have a dry air mass. So accordingly, no severe weather and rainfall amounts should be light. There's the mesoanalysis of the surface low that's near or just south of St. Louis early this morning at 5 o'clock. 1,006 millibars, and you can see that trailing batch of showers. And there's a look at the rain at 5:20 off the Columbus, Mississippi NexRad. In fact, that rain approaching the northwestern corner of Alabama, so by the time you watch this, it should be raining in our state, and that will be progressing on through today. In the wake of the cold front, look at the cold air out there over the Rockies, where they are snow-covered down there in the mid-teens. Wow. In fact, I was doing the weather last night at 10 o'clock, and it was 12 at Denver at that point. That's pretty cold for early November. No severe weather today, just general thunder possible from the Tennessee Valley over to the Middle Atlantic coast. And up on the watch warning map, there is a freeze warning for parts of Oklahoma and Texas. But other than that, things are pretty quiet. Rain for the next 5 days. This is suggesting maybe a quarter to a half inch of rain today. Both the NAM and the GFS are kind of sitting around a quarter inch. And again, it's certainly not going to be a major rain event. We'll check the OZGFS. This is valid at 7 o'clock local time this evening at 500 millibars. Look at that trough coming through here. I'll tell you what, the air aloft was very cold with that, so there could be some thunder, despite the fact that there's hardly any instability involved, surface-based instability. There's the surface analysis this evening at 7 o'clock, and really at that point, the bulk of the rain should be well to the south and east of Birmingham. So it looks like the main window for the showers will be this morning into the early afternoon, and it sure looks like by maybe even 4, 5, 6 o'clock it'll be out of here. It's progressing along pretty nicely. And then tomorrow, a great day. Now today should be a bit cooler with low 60s, but tomorrow will be, again, probably low 60s despite sunshine coming back. It might be a case where clouds kind of linger tomorrow morning. Don't be shocked if you wake up in the morning and it's overcast, but the sky should become partly to mostly sunny by afternoon for sure. And again, with that air coming off that snowpack, it could be kind of cool. So I think low 60s is the right call. And then Saturday looks great. Lots of sun. The latest guidance, a little cooler. And again, notice the cold air damming type effect coming down the slopes of the Appalachians from that cold high near Boston. So it could be cooler over East Alabama Saturday. The GFS is showing 66. The NAM is showing 69 for Birmingham. The better chance of seeing 70 would be in Tuscaloosa or West Alabama. Near the Georgia border, you might see only low 60s on Saturday. But whatever, the sky should be sunny. And Sunday looks very nice as well. Lots of sun with a high in the 60s. Monday of next week, we stay dry. We'll watch that new system off to the west. There's Tuesday. The rain gets closer. Tuesday, we could be up there in the low and mid-70s. And then Wednesday, woo boy. Look at here now. That's, again, a very sharp trough aloft coming at us. And very good diffluence aloft. And down below that, we've got a surface low that's 1,000 millibars just east of St. Louis with a trailing band of showers and storms. Really, that's kind of like the system today, but this time the atmosphere should be more unstable and the low-level moisture should be much higher, meaning there could be a few strong storms and just maybe a severe storm with this. Come on now, this is November, so we'll have to monitor that as we get closer. This is, 6 days out, so there's no way to resolve specific details as far in advance, but that could bring maybe a round of strong storms Wednesday of next week. And then by Thursday, the system is lifting out. We turn colder, and that would suggest maybe some lingering clouds and even some lingering light rain in there Thursday morning of next week. We'll check the end of the forecast, November 18th. Boy, look at the trough over the nation's midsection, and look at the cold air flooding down over much of the United States. Man, that looks cold. And a batch of showers and storms around here, if this is right on that front that represents the leading edge of the colder air. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you live around here, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Weather.